welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you 5 different outfits that I'm gonna wear this autumn using my beautiful new green Chanel bag, which is my latest addition to my handbag collection, and I just unboxed this with you in my last video. I'm really excited about this bag and I think the color is just to die for and perfect for autumn, so I can't wait to style it up. And I also have a shoe unboxing for you guys. I got 2 new pairs of shoes from Vivaia and I'm really excited about these, and I will be using these to style all the outfits as well. But let's unbox them first. I literally have to be honest, I already unboxed them and tried them on just because I was so curious, because I literally have been following this brand on Instagram for months now and I really was intrigued by their shoes because they all look so classy, feminine, but also comfortable. So I really wanted to try them, and when they reached out to me I was very excited, and I got to choose 2 pairs, and the first one, let's unbox it, is already in here. I got this pair of chunky heels with a round toe, and aren't these so gorgeous and perfect for autumn? You guys know ballet flats are really on trend this autumn, and from the front these look like ballet flats, but from the back and the side you have this really beautiful chunky heel, which just makes it look much more feminine and really nicely on the foot. So I really like that. And look wise I also just love like the black with the contrast white. They are simply gorgeous, and you guys, I think by looking at them you would never know, but these are actually made of 100% recycled materials. Isn't this amazing? I think you would never have guessed it. It literally even says on the box, so 2 pairs of shoes equals 6 pairs of plastic water bottles. Isn't this crazy? It literally says on here, thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life. Isn't this amazing? So they literally take water bottles and make these shoes out of them. Crazy, isn't it? They literally have like this 3D printing technology which makes this really beautiful knitting material which just looks so elegant. So I'm really amazed by this, and I honestly think these are so beautiful. But let me also show you the second pair that I got, because I did also get another pair which are really perfect for autumn, and they are here. So I did get a pair of ankle boots, and these are them. How gorgeous are these? You guys, look at these. Can you see the really beautiful knitting on them? So stunning. I am obsessed with them, and I literally chose these because these remind me a lot of the Hermes knit booties. They also have ankle boots that are made of this knit material, and they look so similar, but obviously these aren't as expensive as Hermes, but still the quality honestly is just impeccable. Really great quality. I'm really amazed by them. Size wise, by the way, you guys know I always tell you sizes. These are in size 37, which is my normal size, so I definitely suggest going with your normal size when buying Vivaia shoes. I literally also tried these on with socks and they still fit me perfectly, so definitely go with your normal size. I will have a link to both of these down in the description box, by the way, and I also have a coupon code for you, which is THEGLAMARY, and it will give you 15% off the entire site, and I definitely advise you to check out their shoes because they literally have so many amazing ones. They have flats, they have booties like this one, they even have over the knee boots. So I definitely think it's worth checking out, and they have free shipping, free return for 30 days, so definitely really amazing service as well. And as I said, the quality is definitely really amazing. I honestly think these look way more expensive than they actually are, so definitely recommend them. I also recommend you to check out their Instagram, which is @Vivaia. They always post like outfit of the day pictures of different people, but also when they get new styles in. And honestly, just by following them for a few months now, I know that you will always see a new style that looks really amazing that you will want to get. So definitely follow them to have a little inspo on how to style everything. And yeah, now let's get into styling these as well. I'm really excited to show you how these will look on me and how I will style them for autumn with my beautiful Chanel bag. Isn't this such a great combo, by the way? I mean, also these shoes with the Chanel bag, they look so expensive. So let's style them. Alright, now onto the styling part. First up is this really classy look with this black turtleneck sweater, this gorgeous houndstooth skirt. Houndstooth, by the way, you guys, is really on trend this upcoming season, so I definitely advise you on investing into great pieces that have houndstooth print. And houndstooth is something that literally stays for years and years, so definitely get something high quality. My skirt is from L'Agence, but there are many different other skirts available right now that look really amazing. And I styled this with my beautiful green Chanel bag for a pop of color, and for shoes I went with the Melissa boots from Vivaia. I think they just really round up the outfit. I think they look so classy. I just love the heel height as well. They are super comfortable. So this is definitely an outfit that I will get a ton of wear out. Alright, now onto another look. This one's more office appropriate. And I styled my beautiful green Chanel bag and my Julie Vivaia shoes with this gorgeous cream white sweater from Sandro with this beautiful peplum skirt, and I think this is such a vibe as well. I probably personally would not wear the green bag for work, but I would take it for after work. So I think for after work this would be a really nice outfit, and I personally just love how comfortable the Julie pumps are. They honestly are so comfortable. I feel like walking on clouds. Like the sole on the inside, it is like a bit of cushioned, so you really are extremely comfortable. And I think look-wise they are just perfect for work because they are so classy, but they don't scream like a designer, but you see that the quality is there. And that's personally for me something that I really enjoy wearing for work, so I really highly recommend these. Next up is another really classy look with this chunky white sweater and these beautiful white leg black pants. And this time I am wearing the Julie pumps with it, and I think these just look so good with this outfit. And I also love how the green Chanel bag adds just such a pop of color. I think this is such a classy outfit and definitely very on trend right now, especially because from the front it just looks like you are wearing flats, but you have the heel. So I really like this one as well, and this is for sure something that I will wear just like this. Next up is this gorgeous all black look, and I honestly also love how these boots just match the outfit so nicely. I also like how the green bag looks against an all black outfit. I think this green bag is such a statement piece, and to wear it with all black it even comes out more. So I definitely know that this will be an outfit that I will wear this autumn as well. I also love this really long cardigan, by the way, and this is actually a two-piece set. So it's this knit top which just goes here. I even have my white bra on, but normally I would wear a black one with it. So it's a top, and then you have this cardigan, and I think it's still available. If it's still available, I will link it down in the description box. But this is so comfortable, and I think it looks so nice with this outfit. And again, I love the boots. They just look so high-end. And last but not least is a more colorful look with this blue houndstooth skirt from Sandro and my green Chanel bag. I think blue and green go really nicely together, so it's definitely something that I would combine too. And I also love how this looks like with my boots, because here on the skirt it actually has black contrast stitching, so that way I think that the boots still look really nice with the skirt, and it's definitely such a nice outfit for fall. I can already see myself going like to a pumpkin patch or something with this outfit, so it's definitely really nice, and I just love the boots. I honestly think these will be my go-to boots this autumn. So this is gonna be it for this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and hopefully I gave you a bit of outfit inspo for autumn. If you're interested in the Vivaia shoes, as I said, I will have a link to both of these that I got down in the description box, but also check out their other styles, and don't forget to use my code THEGLAMARY for 15% off when you shop with them. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below to my channel. I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye!